All right, so I just got done installing these new dresser pulls right here behind me, and these things are actually pretty neat. Now, as you can see over here, this is why I'm changing them out. We have these old vintage looking dresser pulls, and I'm not a big fan of these. And I was having a really hard time finding something that I could replace these with that would fit until I came across these adjustable ones right here. And I mean, I did have to buy quite a few packs to replace all the knobs on the whole bedroom set. I actually still have one nightstand that I need to get to, but I definitely think it was worth it. Then the other nice thing about these is that they're extremely easy to put on. All right, so first we start with this piece right here. Then we're gonna go ahead and grab these, slip them onto this bar, place these two little metal dowels into these outer holes and line these holes up with the holes in my dresser. Take the provided screws, put it in the hole right inside of the dresser, and then just kind of hand tighten them. And then I'm gonna make sure that this bar is nice and centered where I want it. Go on the inside here with my screwdriver and tighten them in all the way. And look how easy that was. I honestly can't believe I didn't do this sooner. These things are super nice, really sturdy, but honestly, my favorite thing about them is probably how quiet they are. Because seriously, look how annoying this noise is. I mean, can you imagine hearing that every time you open a drawer? But anyways, if you're like me and you're looking for some new dresser pulls, but you're having a hard time finding the right size, then you should definitely check these ones out.